Listen carefully. The next crypto millionaires are not buying Bitcoin right now. They are hunting low-cap coins that turn $100 into $10,000 or even more. In this video, I am exposing 5 crypto coins that could realistically multiply your capital 100 times by 2026. This is not a financial advice. This is high-risk territory. If you miss this bull run, don't complain later. Watch till the end, because the last one can even have more return on investment. Subscribe if you want more analysis like this. Like and comment below which crypto do you think is missing on this list. Coin number 5. Ozak AI. AI is the biggest narrative in crypto right now, and Ozak AI is reading it hard. This project blends AI plus predictive analytics plus blockchain. It's still early, very early in the pre-sale phase. It's cost $0.014 right now. That means 2 things. It can fail, or it can absolutely explode. Only AI coins in the last cycle did 50 times or 100 times, even more. AI, please in the comment if you see what is coming. Number 4. Little Pepe. Yes, another meme coin. And yes, meme coins make people rich. Like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe. Little Pepe isn't just hype. It's building a layer 2 platform for meme coins. If this catches viral momentum during the bull run, the upside is absolutely insane. But don't be stupid. Meme coins pump faster and dump faster. Smash the like button if you have ever ignored a meme coins and regret it. Number 3. This is where smart money starts paying attention. Alephium. Alephium is a low-cap layer 1 blockchain built for scalability and smart contracts. Ethereum is expensive. Solana goes down. The market is still searching for the next winner. Low cap, low market cap, biotech, active development. There is dangerous combo in a good way. REFERAL. Number 2. Liquid chain. Most crypto users don't understand this, but liquidity is everything. Liquid chain wants to fix one of crypto's the biggest problem: moving money between blockchains easily. No friction, no mess. If cross-chain adoption explodes in the next cycle, projects like this don't do 2 times or 5 times. They do life-changing numbers. Subscribe now, because this channel finds gems before they trend. Do you guess what is the number 1? Yes, comment below. XYZ verse. This is the word card. Supports, culture, meme, community. That combination is extremely powerful. People understand the branding in crypto. and that's why they miss big move. Is it risky? Yes. Would it fail? Also yes. But that is exactly where 100 times opportunities live. Comment on below if you are still watching the real ones. XYZ is a meme coin. Granted the ARI, you can trade it on Mets exchange if you wanted to. Final warning. Let me be clear. Most people will watch this video and do nothing and stay broke. 100 times coins are found before they had. If you want a deep dive of those project, tokenomics, risk, entry strategy, drop the coin name in the comments. Like, subscribe, share this video, run. Share the video, and I will see you in the right side of the next bull run.